Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if you can't seem to download or update any apps from the Galaxy Store on your Samsung phone. So to fix this, simply long press on the Galaxy Store icon and then tap this info icon here. Now here you will need to tap on this force stop option and then select OK. Now scroll down and tap on storage. Now in here tap the clear cache option. Now select the clear data option and hit delete to confirm. Once you have done that, simply try using the Galaxy Store app and see if it works. If you still experience problems, head to the settings app. Now scroll all the way down and tap on general management. Now in here tap on date and time. Now in here make sure that the automatic date and time option is enabled. If you still experience problems, you can try switching your internet connection. For instance, if you are using mobile data, try using Wi-Fi. If you are already using Wi-Fi, try using a different network connection and see if that works. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.